Hi, we're Jeremy and Cristine with Bronte Companies House Buyers. You're here looking for a hassle-free way to sell your house. We've been buying houses in Nebraska for over 20 years by overcoming key obstacles. Does the house have too many repairs? Are the property taxes late? Going through a divorce? Or have you inherited a property that you just don't have time for?
No matter the situation or condition, we buy houses as is. You don't pay any closing costs, fees, or commissions. You don't need to do any repairs or clean out. We handle everything.
We'll show you exactly how we calculate the offer. Just fill out the form on the website and we will view the house and make you an offer as soon as possible. When the offer is accepted, we can close in 10 days or on your timeline.
Keep in mind, we can only buy so many houses at a time. So if you want a cash offer, fill out the form today.